Hey guys, welcome back to another shader tutorial. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple outline shader for 3D objects. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to create a Unity project. You see it's completely empty. It's the Unity HDRP template. So it has the assets, but it's not really required. It has the post-processing volume, light pro group, sky and fog volume, directional light, and main camera. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, you're going to right-click, create, then shader, then PBR graph. Now let's call it something like outline shader graph. Next, double-click it to open it in shader editor. Let's maximize the window, and first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a new vector1 property. You're going to name it outline size because I want the user to be able to edit the outline size in the inspector. Next, change the reference to outline size without the space, and then change the default to something like 6.5. Next, you're going to drag it into your scene, and then you're going to create a Fresnel effect. So you're going to spacebar and then type in Fresnel effect. What you see is just this nice looking effect. You can change the power and it will change the outline size. But we want the user to be able to change the outline size from the inspector. So instead of this value on the X, just drag in the outline size property into the power slot. Here we go, we can change the outline size from the inspector now. Next thing you're gonna have to do is you're going to create a new node, and it's going to be an ellipse node. And then you're going to drag the out slot of the Fresnel effect into the UV slot of the ellipse effect, and then you're going to add a multiply node. Then you're going to drag the out of the ellipse effect into the to be multiplied by the out of the Fresnel effect, like that. So just like this. And also you're gonna have to change these values over here. So let's change them a bit. Let's make this something like this. And change the height a bit. Sorry, something like this. So see, difference without the ellipse effect is going to be something like this, which we don't really want. So with the ellipse effect, it has a more sharp edge or inner edge. Next, you're going to take the PBR master, or just the master node, and drag the out of the multiply node into the albedo of the PBR master, or the master node. Next, you're going to change the smoothness to something like 0. Then you can just save the asset. Then you're going to minimize the shader editor. Then you go to the scene, create a sphere. Then let's create a material from the shader. Just right click on the shader and create material. Just leave the name as it is and drag the material on the sphere. Next, see in edit mode, or the camera view mode, we have it. Now let's center first the camera so we see the sphere straight there. So let's go here and press Control F by clicking on the main camera first. Control F, and here we go, it's centered. Now, if we add a golden sphere and go on the shader here, we can edit the outline size, just like this, which is really cool. Here's the difference of this white in the middle, but if we make this is going to be black in the middle. I like probably this maybe. Something like this would be nice. And here we go. We have a outline shader, and doesn't matter from which angle your camera is, it'll always be the same way. This also is quite like a TOON shader, so this also is like a TOON shader tutorial, but this is actually just an outline, so not really toonish. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and please also join my Discord server. It's almost 150 members, so I would really appreciate if you could just hit the join button and enjoy your stay there. The server is very active, so like why not join there? You can post your projects and get some feedback on your ideas or ask questions, and it's just a game dev server. So the link is in the description below, and thanks for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.